What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today we're going to talk about the Android 12 Beta 2 on the Pixel 4a. So without further delay, let's dive right in. Alright guys, so first things first is when we go to the lock screen, starting off from the lock screen, according to what your home screen, your background is, your wallpaper is, Material You is finally in developer beta 2. So right now, looking at my wallpaper, everything, the colors, the shades are green, even from the lock screen. When we look at the lock screen, the time right there, it is also green. And let's say I want to change the color. So for example, if we go into settings, let's say we want to go into settings, it is all present in there. Let's say I want to change the color, wallpaper and style. Let's say come alive, let's change it to this, home screen, lock screen. Now watch how the shades of the color has changed from green to like a peach, a light pink color. That is Material You. It goes pretty much, and I guess this is probably, I mean, look at that, look how big it is. No notifications. But this is Material You on, you know, Pixel 4a and other Pixel devices as well. It changes according to what your wallpaper you have. The next thing I want to show you guys is the notification shade. There's a couple of new things here. There's a wallet, which I personally have not set up yet. We do have kind of a new notification backdrop. So when we pick it up and let's say we want to change the brightness, it has this black backdrop to it, which is actually pretty cool if you ask me. You know, I like it. I like that new change in there. That's a slight change with developer beta 2 Android 12. The next one is going to be simple. It is the power button. There we go. That's it. It's now in a more grid shape. You're getting rid of the smart home stuff. Those are found in your notification bar. But with your power, you're just getting emergency, power off, and restart. I like this. It's much cleaner. It is better. I like it much better and cleaner. Now we're getting more of the refinements with developer beta 2, and we still have a couple more developer betas coming out within the next couple months until its public release in the third quarter of 2021. Next up is going to be privacy dashboard. And in fact, let's go to settings and just look it up. Privacy dashboard right here. This is privacy dashboard. This is it. This is what we're getting now. See other, permissions. In the past 24 hours, it looks like location has been the only permission used by 3 apps, which is Maps, Google, and Watch Active 2 plugin. You can really see what uses your permissions, whatnot. But this is a new privacy dashboard that Google has promised and is now officially in Android 12 beta number 2. Okay, so the next one that I want to show you guys is going to be what we call Quick Tap. It shows it right here on screen. I have not been able to get it to work for some odd reason. It says tap back of phone twice. And let's say I go to home. If I click on it twice, I've just not been able to get it to work. I might be doing it wrong too. But Quick Tap is now, it is on developer beta 2, but it might need to be fixed, or I just was not able to get it to work. So if you do have this and you are able to get Quick Tap to work, please let me know in the comments down below, or let me know what I'm doing wrong with Quick Tap. Anyway, that about wraps up this video. That was Android 12 developer beta 2 on the Pixel 4a. If you did enjoy this quick update, be sure to Superman the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video as it does help out the channel a lot and will push my content out to more people. Anyway, that's it from me, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.